Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make creamy broccoli pasta. Okay, so I have 2 pounds of sausage. I bought Italian sausage. This is like 4 cups of broccoli fritters and 2 teaspoons of chopped fresh parsley, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 2.5 cups of heavy cream, and a pinch of black pepper, 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 pound of pasta, which I have here. I'll be adding it into it. So here you go. So this have to cook over medium heat. So I'm going to add my oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, okay. So I'll be adding the tomato and the broccoli to the oil once the oil is heat up. So as I was telling you, this is very simple to do at home in your spare time, or you come out from work and you're tired. Very simple and it's tasty. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. You can use any sausage. I used Italian sausage because this is the one that I like, so I used the Italian sausage and I cook it and I chop it into small pieces. So I'm going to add my broccoli. So remember, this has to be sauteed over medium heat. Okay. So after this is cooked, which it's supposed to take like about between 5 to 7 minutes for this to be properly sauteed. Okay, so meanwhile this is here, I'm going to turn on this one so I could start putting everything into this pot, so it will be quick, it will ready quicker. Okay, so I'm going to add my cream, 2.5 cups. Okay. I will add the pasta. Okay, so this is almost done. This I add this. Okay, this one, and a pinch of salt. I'll put it in here when this is ready. So I'm going to be adding my sausages into the pot. Stir it down, you mix it up. Okay, I'm going to add my broccoli and my tomato. Keep on mixing. Now I will add my my parsley, 2 teaspoons of parsley. Okay, now a pinch of black pepper. A pinch of salt. Stir that in. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my cheese. 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. This one is supposed to take about the combination like 5 minutes. Once the cheese is melted, it's ready to go. Wow, this is looking good already. So you have your vegetables, you have your protein, and you have your starch. As you can see how this is just melting away. Wow, this is lovely. That's what you want to see when you're making your pasta and broccoli and sausage. So here you go, guys. Now you're ready. It's ready to be served. Okay, simple as this. I'm going to turn off my stove. That wasn't too bad, right? This was quick and easy. Okay, so I'll take this off from the stove. I'll put it here for you guys to see, how lovely that is looking. Hello, dear. So here you go, guys. This is the pasta and sausage and broccoli macaroni. That's it, guys. This is simple and it's a healthy dish. Okay, so go ahead, try it at home and tell me how it is. Peace. Next time. Hasta la vista. Bye, guys.